Hi, Brenda. So I wanted to share an event that just recently happened to me with my little one. So I do monthly calendars at my job, and an event that happened on that day, a resident who run it came and told me, that the time has changed. And this was recently, and I've forgotten about it on that day. And so I had a lot of residents coming to me and they were upset about the event. And that triggered my little one to start panicking and freaking out. Like, I could just feel it, and it was making me freak out a little bit. So, I just stopped. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, where is this coming from? And so I was telling myself, I was like, Denzel, no, you go into your office and you heal this out now. And so I stopped what I was doing. I went in my office and I put my hand on my forehead. I did OMG. And I asked myself again, I was like, where is this coming from? And so I can hear my little one saying, oh my God, I'm going to get in trouble. I'm going to get in trouble. And so I stopped and I was like, what age is it? I asked my pendulum and my board, I was like, what age is this? And it told me age 3. And so I put my hand back on my forehead and, I kept hearing, I'm going to get in trouble. I'm going to get in trouble. And so I heard L1D. And so that's what I did. And I put my hand on my head like that. And I kept it there. And I spoke to my little one because I just kept hearing my little one freaking out. And I felt like I could feel my little one's emotions. I felt like I wanted to cry the whole time. And so I kept it there and I talked to my little one. I was telling my little one, it's going to be okay. You're not going to get in trouble. This is not daddy. You're not stupid. You're not dumb. Words that my dad would normally say if I make a mistake, and I believe that's what triggered my little one, just from a similar experience. And so I calmed my little one down. I was like, it's going to be okay. I was like, do you trust me? Trust me. Trust me. And, once I calmed my little one down, I just felt this relief. It was just like this relief, this warm feeling. It's kind of hard to explain, but I wasn't feeling that sadness anymore. And I was like, oh my God, I did it. I healed it out. Like my little ones, I asked them, I was like, do you trust me? Do you trust me? And I got a yes from my little one. I was like, we're not going to get in trouble. Trust me. And so I was like, everything is okay. Everything is okay. And when we had to face the resident that ran it, my little one did not freak out. We handled the situation. We explained everything that happened. And, it was just like this great feeling. It was like, oh my God. Like, even when I had to face the people, it wasn't my little one wasn't triggered again. Like my little one trusted me. And so I just want to thank you. Just thank you for showing me, the OMG and, the L1D, cause that's what came to my mind and it actually worked. It worked. And so thank you for that, Brenda. Thank you so much.